One day Hatu Patu was exploring the forest when a giant bird woman flew through the trees and grabbed him with her claws. Off through the forest they flew to her cave, where she left him to be watched by the Pīwakawaka, the fantail. While the bird woman was off hunting, Hatu Patu explored her cave and found a beautiful cloak that he liked. Taking the cloak, he escaped from the cave and ran through the forest.
Hatu Patu, you better run, the bird will come after you. You took her cloak and that's not nice, it doesn't belong to you. She won't be pleased if she ever sees her shiny cloak running through the trees. You better run and put it back where you found it.
The Pīwakawaka flew off in search of the bird woman to tell her that Hatu Patu had left. Angrily she flew to look for Hatu Patu, while the Pīwakawaka showed her the way. Hatu Patu could hear the bird woman coming and ran towards a rock, crying out an ancient spell. The rock split open and he jumped inside. The bird woman could not follow. When Hatu Patu thought it was safe, he came out of the rock. He then made his way across the hot springs of Te Whakarewarewa in Rotorua. The bird woman saw him, but before she could grab him, she was caught in the steam from a hot spring and died.